Hello, so we've just picked up the keys for the next project. So I'll give you a quick show around. This one's awesome. It's in a really good location. Literally, the hospital is there, like a stone's throw away. So it's really, really good. And I'll give you a goosey gander so you can have a look. This one is a normal residential house that we're going to turn into a 7-bedroom HMO. So quite an interesting one. Look at that carpet, brilliant. Should we keep that? So this one's really good because the demand's really high in this area. Like I say, the hospital is just around the corner. Town centre's not far away, so we've got a lot in this area, so we know it's going to rent really well. So for example, in here, this is going to become, we're taking the chimney out and everything. This is going to become a nice bedroom with an ensuite. And then we've got through here, there's quite a lot of like unused space around here, but we're going to create a hallway coming through. This is obviously going to stay a kitchen. It's a nice big space. Knocking this wall through, and this will become like washroom with the fridge, freezer and everything in. This is a downstairs toilet, but again, that's going to be all integrated into the plumbing. So we've got out here, really huge garden space. We're doing a huge extension out here, which obviously we need a landscaper. But this one's going to be a big extension on the back that is going to house a nice dining area with the table and chairs, and then we're going to have a bedroom with an ensuite. So that's going to come the whole width of the back of the house and quite far out in there, which is good. Obviously, we just need to tart it all up because the exterior is questionable as well. Okay, and then up here, so we've got currently 3 bedrooms on this floor. So there's going to be 2 bedrooms downstairs. We're going to replace all the windows and have a look into triple glazing. There's going to be 2 bedrooms and an ensuite going up here that they're going to share between them. And then we've got a room in here, which is like there's always one room that's a challenge. So this one is going to be extended. We're taking this wall out to, even out the room sizes. This is going to be turned into an ensuite style that is going to share this room, and this room is going to share it. So this one's quite simple. It's, buff and fluff in there. And then this one is a larger room. So they'll all have their integrated wardrobes, everything in there. Nice brand new kitchen. It's going to sing. Now in this area, so 7 beds. We've just had a 7-bed in this same area that we had revalued at 365,000. So really, really good values. I think this one will be around the same, maybe slightly lower because it's a bit smaller than the last one. But listen, opportunities are everywhere. You just have to keep looking for them. Create opportunities as well, because did you think this 3-bedroom semi would ever be able to be turned into a 7-bedroom HMO? It's absolutely amazing opportunity. So yeah, looking into triple glazing because it's a very busy road, but again, it's because it's such a great location. Now all of this out here is going to be all stripped back, nice stones, take the fence down, and this is going to create a really awesome 3 car parking spaces. So really, really good opportunity here, again, to create off-road parking in an area that doesn't have it, which makes it more rentable to HMO tenants as well. So hope you're having a great day. I am now going through another site. We have 12 projects on right now, so lots of things going on, lots of interesting things, lots more videos to come to you, and I will see you very soon.